Hello guys, you can see that the water in the window that's become now mold. So we're gonna use this product to get rid of that old dampness and mold in the walls, the water. This everything gonna go inside this box that all water gather here. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how to open this product. Now quite easy. So we're gonna just get rid of this plastic on the box. Okay, and now we're gonna open that. All right. Okay, so there's thing that here we're gonna open that up. All right. Okay, and there is one more kind of sheet in here. We don't need to pull that out. Okay, so we're gonna put straight back to the on top of that. All right. Okay, so now it's gonna go right next to my window, so you're gonna absorb all the water. The water gonna go inside, and it's really helpful for the mold and the water, and it's very dangerous for your health. And use that. Thank you.